And we're working with CAD data here, and notoriously through the design process we'll have a number of different iterations and changes to this data. Now, what happens to our data here when changes are made to that CAD data? Well, there's a product called Deep Server, and that automates changes for you and automatically updates your work, with those relevant changes. However, that's a different product altogether. And what we can do in Deep Exploration is we can manually go through that process. So we've got a couple of files here which have been modified, and that manual process, all we need to do is simply locate the file which we think has changed, and we can drag and drop and replace that modified file. So these two files here, we can just quite simply replace those, and then there's that job done. If we go back to our markup view that we created right at the very beginning of this demonstration, then we can address some of the situations here. So, for example, we can put an added note on here, and perhaps delete this note here to notify the person reading this that that's been completed. We can simply update our view, and if we go back to our standard view and then back to our new view, we can see how that's been updated. This will also update our animations, or our procedures and disassembly steps that we created earlier on. So we can see there how this step has been updated with those new parts.